So today I made a little more serious test of the boat. So first of all, I finished the bike trailer, and as you can see, it's a little bit flimsy, but it works pretty good. So we hooked it up to my girlfriend's electric bike, and it was a bit sketchy biking with it at first, but it went okay, and as long as you took some very wide corners, it was actually fine. And yeah, we biked through the city, and with a little electrical power, it went really well. So we got to the harbor and put the boat into the water, and it sailed very well. I was using 3 batteries in parallel at this point, so I have something like almost, I think, about 250 amp hours if the batteries were new anyway. I'm not really sure what the real capacity is, but probably a lot lower. I also test fitted one of my solar panels on the front of the boat, and it charged the batteries with about 1.5 to 2 amps the whole time we were sailing. So you can see when we sail under this bridge, the charge falls to 0. I'm gonna show it on the display for the solar charger, but otherwise in the sun it works very well. This is the train bridge in Aalborg. We can see above us here. It's also used by bikes. The whole picture is mirrored because I used the front-facing camera on my phone, so it's a bit weird if you know the city and the view, because it's all mirrored. Anyway, the boat sailed really well, I thought. We had an issue when we came back to the harbor though. We hit a rope because, I don't know, we weren't paying enough attention, I suppose. And the engine just completely cut out. I think maybe a wire in the motor melted or something. I couldn't get it started again. I'm gonna take it apart tomorrow maybe and see if I can fix it. Otherwise I probably need a new engine. But all the parts I made myself actually worked out very well. We sailed at full power for, I don't know, a long time, maybe an hour. Maybe not quite an hour, but it felt like a long time. And it was very nice. It was a bit choppy, and when some speedboats came by at high speed, we had to be careful about the waves. But otherwise, it was really good. So I'm gonna cut off here.